United States' sixth-generation F/X fighter is capable of destroying satellites in space. It represents the latest addition to the mind-boggling technological advancements in the American military, and a full-scale prototype has already been successfully tested. While Russia and China are also developing their own sixth-generation fighters, many would agree that the advanced avionics and armaments of the American representative are unrivaled and powerful enough to dominate the future battlefield. The U.S. military has invested billions of dollars in two separate next-generation air dominance programs. One program aims to replace the F-18 Super Hornet for the Navy, while the other intends to retire the F-22 for the Air Force. These programs were initiated in the early 2010s when the need for a sixth-generation fighter became increasingly apparent. Recently, the U.S. Navy has revealed new details about its vision for the future fixed next-generation strike fighter, which is set to replace the F-18E Super Hornet in the 2030s. Alongside these details, new artwork depicting a hypothetical design has been released. The artwork showcases a top-down view of a fighter with a broad, almost lambda-shaped wing and canard foreplanes. The Navy envisions the FUX to have increased range, speed, improved sensor capabilities, and the ability to employ future long-range weapons. Additionally, it is expected to serve as a command and control node for groups of unmanned aircraft equipped with electronic warfare suites. While limited information about the sixth-generation fighter has been made public, recent sightings of a mysterious aircraft being transported openly suggests that it may not be as highly classified as initially thought. Furthermore, the U.S. Navy's Chief of Naval Operations Air Warfare Directorate, Gregory Harris, has expressed skepticism about integrating too much high-tech into a single fighter. However, the U.S. Navy's innovative approach and openness about the FUX demonstrate their commitment to pushing the boundaries of military technology. In summary, the FUX, the United States sixth-generation fighter, showcases a range of impressive features. These include air superiority with multi-role capabilities, maximum connectivity and sensors, an open architecture that allows for future upgrades, increased payload capacity, and a new spectrum of weapons and propulsion. While competition from other nations' sixth-generation fighters is emerging, the FUX appears poised to maintain its dominance with its cutting-edge capabilities and technological advancements.